Alright guys, so I just made it up to Mountain Madness in Esperance, New York for the 2019 Mountain Madness. It's gonna be sick. I brought my 2017 Altera XT Party Cat. It's 700. So we're gonna get this thing muddy today. It looks gnarly, dude. There's a bunch of RZRs, there's crazy four-wheelers, there's some mud trucks. It's gonna be a fun day. I think I'm gonna do 2 parts to this because there's gonna be so much content. It's gonna be awesome, guys. I'll get back to you guys with clips from today. It's gonna be nuts.
Fuck. I got stuck. Uh-oh, another one fell to it. Oh. God damn it! I hit this all day earlier. I think I'm done playing in the mud. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I can't even move. My boot's stuck. I can go, once I get up this way, I can get it. You're good. get it. Holy shit, that's loud. Dude, that shit's deep.
Alright guys, so unfortunately I lost audio for the next like couple clips. I lost my audio for my outro also, unfortunately. These clips were pretty good, so I wanted to put them in. I talked to these people here that are getting stuck and having fun and everything. They were really good people, so I decided to add them in. I will be having a part 2. It's going to be bigger. I'm going to spend more time on it. This is just something that I wanted to throw together to get it out for the people that wanted to see stuff from today. So I appreciate it, guys. If you guys would like to subscribe, that would be awesome too. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal, which would be awesome. But like I said, guys, I'll be having another video coming out probably next week, which is going to be like a part 2, and it's going to be more trail riding, more having fun, people getting stuck. I got like a big crane or a big backhoe that had to come in and get some people out, so it's gonna be nuts. Enjoy the rest of the footage. Like I said, guys, I really appreciate all the support recently, and if you guys could hit that subscribe button, it's free, that'd be awesome too. And enjoy the rest of the video.